I am Ballerina Cappucina. Tralalero Tralala fell in love with me. He gave me flowers, followed me around, and told everyone we were dating. But we weren't. Then he says Bombardiro Crocodilo got jealous and attacked him. Wrong. Bombardiro Crocodilo came to talk to me, not fight. And then guess who shows up? Tung, 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 sahur. He came out of nowhere and hit Tralalero from behind, unprovoked. Then he made up this whole story that he saved me. Number. He started the fight. He wasn't a hero. He was desperate for attention. And now everyone believes his fake version. But here's the truth. I'm Ballerina Cappucina. No one saved me. I didn't need saving. And Tung 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 saw her? He's a liar. He wrote the script. I'm just taking the mic back. Next time you hear his story, ask who's missing from the stage.